Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do my unboxing for Fabfitfun, the winter edition from 2018. It's in a fairly large box because I got some add-ons, including a mystery bundle. I haven't opened it up, I just did this quickly. So Fabfitfun is $49.99 a quarterly. So you get your summer, spring, fall and winter box, and then they have edit box that you can opt in or out to. Down below is my link for Fabfitfun. This might be my last box. I'm not sure if I will continue on. They usually release spoilers a couple days before they open them up. You can customize it, which is really nice. Annuals get more customization than seasonal. But right now their shipping is kind of a disaster. Because I live in Canada, I'm often in the first group to ship out. But because I'm seasonal, I shouldn't have had this as early as I did, but I do. So let's crack into this box. Lots of stuff. I'm going to do the box first. Like way down here. Try not to look at my mystery. There we go. So here's the box. I love the box. I always use them. One of them has my makeup. One of them has like Christmas gifts in it. And oh shoot. Grab the scissors. Always nice. Always include a little book with all the stuff in it, which is kind of nice. They have the full spoilers up usually before you end the box. So HelloFresh is $60 card. I may actually give that a try sometime soon. So let's see what I got. Running out of room on my desk. So the first thing that they released was the nice little throw. I have a lot of throws on my couch, and I will probably keep this one because my house is really cold and I live in Canada, so it snows. I heard that this blanket is kind of thin, which it doesn't actually feel that thin. It's really nice and soft, but it is super tiny. Or is that still folded in half? Nope, never mind. Not too bad. It's a one person. I may have to hide this one though. Really like that though. I'm sure the value of this is a little bit overinflated, but it is nice. So the next item I see is Oribe's Gold Last Dry Shampoo. I chose this because I heard really good things about this dry shampoo, and having a toddler and teenagers, I often don't get into the shower before they do, so this comes in handy. It's huge. I am hiding this from my teenage daughter because this is supposed to be retailing of $45. I'm not sure why, but it says Gold Less Dry Shampoo, so maybe there's a bit of gold in there. I don't know. The next item I see everyone will get is the AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask. This is kind of, I love masks. This one's sealed. Let's see if we can open it up and smell it. Probably not. Oh, that feels so nice. Now this is, I believe, for the face. You can put it on for 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. Well, being back to work in a factory, this will come in handy. I find that my skin has been really, really dry since I've gone back to work. So the next one I chose was the Moroccan Gold Series. I believe this is the hair mask. treatment mask for intense care for dry and damaged hair, which my hair is. This is huge. I believe this retails for like $40. Let me see here. This will tell me. Let me see. Oh, there we go. So yes, this retails for $49. So just those two items here make up more than the cost of the box for me. The throw is worth $49 and the mask is worth $33. Oh, that smells so good. And that's like right packed full, and I'm sure I'm not gonna have to need a whole lot of that. But that's for the hair, so that's worth $49. Another item everyone gets is the Thrive Cosmetic Highlighting Stick. Now this is worth $24. I've heard a lot of reviews about this, so this is kind of nice. I'm sure I will use it. It's fused with macadamia and meadowfeel oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights, brightens your eyes. Ooh. So I got the Elevate essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. I'm not sure if I will use these. I have pets and I'm really torn about using this stuff. You can smell the orange, holy. And the eucalyptus. So this, I could have got this or a whipped body cream, but I was chosen for me. If you were annual, you would get to choose between this or the body cream, and I believe, no, just that, the body cream. So this is worth $31. The next item is the Blaq Eye Mask Hyaluronic Acid. Another thing I've heard really good reviews about. Everyone will get these. This is worth $29. These are all American prices as well. So this is another item I did choose, and this is the Pure Be Yourself V Palette. Worth $36. Oh. I've gotten a few of Pure's palettes from Boxy's Charms, and there's sometimes a hit and a miss, so I'm hoping this will be better. That's actually really, really pretty. I like the name of the colors. Strong, confident, gorgeous, alluring, charming, fabulous. So not super pigmented, as you can tell. Not tell. I'm not sure if you can see that. See it on my finger, but oh, there we go. I just have to use some strength. That's not too bad. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Creamy. Ooh. Be interesting to use that this week. So I believe the last item in my box here is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. So this retails for $26. You could have got this or some coasters that apparently they were having some issues with, or Brooke Burke's body sliders. Really glad I got this. It is actually really, really pretty. Ooh. Very much, I think, my color too. Ooh. So with that being said, now that we've done the main box, I'll throw everything back in here quickly. Ooh. And I'll do some of my add-ons that I purchased, if I can remember the price of them. So, I got Dr. Schwab's Peppermint Body Scrub. I love body scrubs, and I was out, so I think this was like $5. I love peppermint. Oh, ooh, this smells really good. And then I did, let's see here. got the Grace and Stella bath bombs, which I really liked. And it also came with the Hair Truth, the Aquarius Luxe hair towel, which I absolutely love. I have one upstairs that I try and use often. And then I got the Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. I got the sample of this in Ipsy I've been using this week, and I really, really like it. So to get the full size is nice. I believe that was only like $19 or $29. It doesn't say on here which it was. I picked up the Sponge on Mandarin Mint because I love mint, and this was like $7, and I love sponge gels. And then I bought the 3 face masks for $5, I think. This was kind of hard to get from Karuna. So there's a clarifying face mask, age-defying face mask, and exfoliating face mask. And I'm a big face mask fan. So the last item here is my mixery, and I paid $29 American for it, and it's supposed to be a retail value of over $100. So let's see what I got. First item I see is Body Perfect Muscle Therapy, targeted to relieve ease and stiffness and muscle tension. I need stuff like this. I've got a very bad and sore shoulder. Ooh. So you're just supposed to roll it on. It smells good. I was gonna let you smell it. Ooh. I will definitely be using that. The other thing is Neutral Reparative Mask with Dessert Date, dried, damaged, and brittle hair. Hey, I just got a large one. I got one of these. I am going to be so overloaded. Ooh. It doesn't have much of a smell, but it has a little bit of one. I'm kind of excited to use that. I believe my Ipsy Bag Glam Plus has the dry shampoo, so I might be able to use them as like a routine or something. So AHAVA natural deodorant. Ooh, I have never tried natural deodorant, and I've heard some really good reviews on this on the site, so I guess I will be. And working in a hot factory, this will definitely be put to the test. It actually smells really nice. I wonder if this could be for men and women. Huh. I would imagine so. And we all could use deodorant, so okay, it says it's a mist. Equal Beauty Super Mist Polyuse Screen Moisture Lock. Let's see if I can open this up and well, no. There we go. So I've seen quite a few mystery bundles, and some of them came with some Murad stuff and some of them didn't. Wow, that's kind of really nice. Equal Beauty, Brace All Beauty at the back, signed. Huge. Wow. So it's just, it doesn't really say if it's like a setting or like a setting spray or, oh, it says exposure to pollutants. After spraying, the mist can be blended over entire face. Made in Australia. Polyuse Screen and Moisture Lock. I guess I should be using that before I go to work because, like I said, I work in a nasty, dirty factory. Well, it's a clean factory, but so I'm not sure the prices on all of this, but I'm definitely thinking that the mystery bundle is well worth $100. Not the mystery bundle I wanted, but I'm not entirely disappointed. Fabfitfun box, well, I don't know what to think of it anymore. There's some issues that they need to work on, but it is one of my more favorite boxes. Once the shipping and all that stuff is figured out, it'll be an even better box, and they really need to calm down on overinflating the values. Like, there's no way this, I would pay $50 for this blanket. It's fairly thin, and it is soft, mind you, but it's not huge. And but some of the things I will definitely use. I think one or two things I may gift. The mystery bundle was definitely a plus for me. If you drop down below, you will see a link for Fabfitfun. I do believe that they still have the winter box. You cannot customize it. That's already over. I do know that there is a starter box going out. Nobody knows what's in that right now, if it's still the old one with the bag and the spangenelle or what. But if you have any questions, leave them below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.